format. It's taking way too long. I'm gonna have to put it down, and I'm gonna have to crash the camera. I have to crash it because the format basically crashed on me. That's the first time this ever happened. 12 seconds or so, let go. Let's start. The camera started up. Let's go into the format once again, preference. And let's hit format and show you how quickly it will take this time. It should take about 10 seconds. It's done, and you're fully formatted. Samsung Evo Select Plus 128 gig card, UH3, class 10. There you go. Here's a recording stop. It says your SD card can record with the current settings. Upgrade to a faster card, V30 or higher to maximum performance. And I just recorded about 30 shots right now, along with another 30 deleted shots.